everyone. Welcome back to HIFSA's Wonder Insight channel. Today, we're diving into Apple's latest powerhouse devices, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you're thinking about upgrading or just curious about what's new, stick around. Let's break down the top 5 features that make these models stand out. Number 1, new camera system. First up, let's talk about the cameras. Both models feature an enhanced 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus. And yes, the same 5x telephoto zoom you loved in the Pro Max is now available on the smaller Pro 2. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes or high-quality 4K video at 120 FPS, the iPhone 16 Pro lineup gives you professional-grade tools right in your pocket. Number 2, the capture button. This is something that photographers are going to love, a dedicated capture button. It's located just below the power button and allows you to quickly access the camera app with a simple press. Swipe, tap, and adjust your settings with ease. Whether you're tweaking exposure or zooming in, the capture button makes it faster than ever to get the perfect shot. Number 3, A18 Pro chip power. Next, we have the A18 Pro chip, which delivers insane performance for everything from everyday tasks to console-level gaming. And thanks to its new heat management system, you can push this phone to its limits without worrying about overheating. Whether you're editing photos, playing AAA games, or multitasking, this chip handles it all with ease. Number 4, spatial photography and video. Apple is also taking a step into the future with spatial photography and video. Capture 3D-like experiences that you can view on devices like Apple Vision Pro. It's not just about seeing, but experiencing your photos and videos in a whole new way. Number 5, bigger and better displays. Finally, let's talk about the display. The Pro Max now boasts a massive 6.9-inch screen, while the Pro is slightly smaller at 6.3 inches. Both feature an always-on display and incredible color accuracy. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just scrolling through your feed, these screens are vibrant and immersive. So, there you have it, the top 5 features that make the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max 2 of the most powerful smartphones Apple has ever created. Which feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you next time.